Welcome to AMS Game Builder tutorial series. Today we will be learning about some basics of game design.
We will dive into three fundamental concepts: sprites, events, and actions. First up, sprites. In game design, a sprite is any graphical object that moves or interacts on the screen. Think of them as the actors in your video game. They can be your heroes, enemies, trees, or even buildings. Sprites are the components that are visible to you on the screen while you are playing the game. In AMS, we have a library of some basic sprite. We can also design our sprite or upload an already existing sprite into our game. We will learn about them in the next video. Next, we have events. Events are specific scenarios that trigger actions in your game. Pressing a button, colliding two sprites, and touching the edge of the screen are some basic examples of events in a game. These events provide us with a piece of information that something has happened in our game. Events can be triggered by player actions, such as reaching a certain point, or by game conditions, like an enemy spotting the player. There are various events that we can design, such as making the pin gesture using fingers, bumping your fist, and clapping your hands. We can create and use these events to design actions for our games. Finally, we have actions. Actions are what make your game interactive. They are everything a sprite can do, from jumping and running to shooting fire. When you design actions, you are defining how players interact with the game world. We can assign different actions to our sprites, such as changing position, size, rotation, or visibility. Based on these actions, we can drive the score of our games. Now that you understand the basics of sprites, actions, and events, you are better equipped to start designing your own games. In the next video, we will learn how to create a sprite and place them onto the screen, along with some basic functionality of AMS.